Hey everyone, in this quick guide, we are going to show you how to add chapters to your YouTube videos, making it easier for your viewers to navigate your content and boosting engagement. So let's get started. Start by opening up YouTube Studio, go to your browser for that and head over to youtube.com and hit enter. And once you hit enter, you can just go over to your YouTube Studio. For that, find your profile here in the top right corner, click on it and select the option for YouTube Studio and head over there. Once you head over to your YouTube Studio, what you need to do is you need to find the video that you want to add the chapters to. So for that, go to your content here from your left-hand sidebar. And here you will be finding all of the videos that you've uploaded on your account. So you can find the video that you want to add the chapters to. After that, select the pencil icon to open up the video details. Once you open it up here, you'll be finding the description. So what you need to do is you need to add chapters in the description. YouTube uses timestamps in the description to create chapters. Each chapter needs a timestamp and a title. The first timestamp must start at 0.0. For example, something like this. So you can go ahead and make something similar. I'm just posting this for an example. You can make it according to your video size and what content you're posting. You can just go over and copy something like this on your description, and YouTube will automatically create chapters on your progress bar. After you do so, you can just go over and click on save. Scroll down and select the option for save for that. And once you click on save, you can save the changes, and it should save the changes. And YouTube editor, you can also use the YouTube editor to split the clips, which shows the chapter markers directly on the timeline, creator for tutorials. And that's it. That is how you add up chapters on your YouTube video and make it very simple. So do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And thank you for watching this video.